Hi, this is a new video. I am going to replace the shifter cable, the rear one, which is the right side, and the cable here I can see that it is rusty, and the hose is like dirty from inside. This is 8 gears in the rear wheel and 3 in the front wheel. So the first step is to remove the cable from this place here. You open this and then you remove the head of the cable from here. As you can see, you open this also. Okay, I will show you what is the problem here exactly. As you can see, when you shift up, it's going fine, but when you are going down, it's not responding. So you have to click 2 times, so it is a little bit slow. Yeah, so I'm replacing the cable and the hose, and also oiling inside, so it's going to work smoothly and fine. So now we will open this, remove the head. As you can see, there is this cover here. Okay, and then we will remove the cable from here. Just a little only. I will cut the head of the cable. And remove. And here also, we can see it is very rusty. So remove this and push here. So the same way you insert the new cable from here. Okay, now this is a new hose, and make sure it is open when you enter the new cable. If you have any sharp wire like this, because when you make sure it is open, that helps later the cable to move freely. I will insert those covers here and make sure they are reaching the end. Otherwise, the gears will not work perfectly. Now I will put the new cable. Yes, it went other side. So make sure the gears are in number 8 or 7 or 9. Anyway, the biggest gear. Okay, now I have I will insert a little oil to lubricate the hose, because even it is lubricated, but I want to make sure the movement is free inside. Now we put the cable back. To show you how to put it inside here. Almost the last step is the rest of the hose, the other side, and put it here. And tight. Now I put the cable also. And bite it a little bit so it can stay. So now it is ready. Now I have to test all the gears and see if they are working. Okay. Is it Mako again? This is okay. Yes. And now I put this back. Okay, now it's fine. I have to lose the cable a little bit. Yeah, you see the difference is now. It changed in all gears and also going back very nice way. So if you feel you want to adjust, you just from here you can tight or loose if the gears are not situated in the correct place. And also remember here there is two screws. They are controlling the lower gear and the highest gear. So usually the lower one is controlling the highest, the biggest gears, and the upper one is controlling the small gears here. So by tightening or losing, they affect the movement of the chain and the gears. So make sure they are in the correct place. Okay, by reaching this point, we are finishing and done with this rear gears. And thank you, and please, if you like, subscribe and join our channel. Thank you.